Hi, once again, this is Kaiser from Rank Ninja. Today, for the first time, I will show you my live experience or live project fixing video. Today's video is going to be related to WordPress. I will fix some issue of a WordPress site. So let's get started. This is the website actually. It's a nice looking blog website, but there are some problem in this website. Today I will fix the problem. The major problem is, suppose you are reading a post and this post, can you tell me that is there any internal or external link in this post or not? I think you will definitely say that there is no link because there is no difference between the plain text and link. As a reader, I also couldn't find if there is any link or not. So, how to fix it actually? Here, look, the heading is looking bold and big font size, so I can differentiate it that this is a heading and this is paragraph. But here actually there is link, but we cannot see it. Suppose here, look, here is a link, but we cannot see this because the link are looking as like as the normal text of a paragraph, so it is hiding actually. For differentiating this link from the normal text, definitely you have to apply some color, and the way to apply the color is writing CSS code. So look how to fix it. I am in the dashboard of this website, and in the theme option, color, here the primary color is this one. So it is better to give the link this color, all the link actually this color, because my client requirement is to give all the URL the same color. So how to do that? For doing this, you have to install a plugin. Just navigate to plugin and click add new plugin, and the plugin name is code snippet. Maybe I have made some spelling mistake. This is the plugin actually, code snippets. You have to install these plugins. I have already installed this. Look here. After installing, you can see something like this. So our goal is to achieve changing the color of the link. So we have to add a new CSS file. So navigate to CSS and you have to click add new snippet. Sorry. First you have to click add new snippet, and then you have to select this one, and the link tag is A, that is anchor tag, and the color should be according to the primary color of this website, and you can put any name here. I have already created this snippet, so I am not creating another one. My snippet is in this tab, and currently I have deactivated this. I am just reactivating this and just reloading this page, and look, this is a link, and I think there is another link also. Here, here is another link. In this way, you can inject PHP code to the function file, HTML code for front end, and CSS and JavaScript code as well. But in the free version of code snippet, you can only add code into the function.php file. So if you want to get the premium version of code snippet for free, I will provide you. But before that, you just need to do a small task, that is just subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.